In this video, I'll quickly show us how to make an English beltless trouser. The center there will be having an elastic hook. There will be no belt loop for this. You don't need your belt. So I'll be showing us how to do this. Like you can see there, this is a pocket part to have elastic there. So I'll be showing us how to do this coming out from the center. So we button this also at the other part as well. So I'll be showing us how to do. Before you can do this, please, you should already know how to sew the basics of fixing your waistband and zip and pocket. So I'll just go straight on how to achieve this there at the center there. So let's keep this at the side. Keep this, okay. Like I said, you already know I've fixed one part already. I've already fixed one part there. So I'll be showing us the second part. So we'll zip this down. So we'll be fixing the waistband at this second part here. We'll be fixing the waistband at the second part here. Okay, so this is the second part. I want to show us how to do this part. So we get your waistband. This is your waistband. I believe you already know how to do your waistband. Now, the hook will be coming out from this point at the center there. That is where the hook will be coming out there. Take note, to be coming out. So you get your tape to mark. So we get our tape to mark from this point. We remove the extra 1 inch. Take note, the extra 1 inch at that zip point, and take note. You can see at that center point here, 10 inch. Take note, 10 inch. So we should take note of this. So we get our waistband. Then from that point here, this is our waistband. I believe you already know how to gum your waistband, right? So from this point, remove one and mark at 10. Take note, to mark at 10 there. So let's just assume from here to here is 10. Let's just assume. Now close this into 2. Then we'll now sew and we'll stop here. Then we'll now jump. Make sure the width that you're jumping should be up to what you want to use. Let's assume the elastic hook. Already done the elastic hook. Yeah, this is the elastic hook already done. So what we have here is 1 inch. So that jumping, you sew and jump. So this is what we have here. You sew, you stop here, then you jump this part and you continue. So remember, unfold. Then you now open this, then you iron this down. So this is what we have here, right? Remember, we already know how to make our waistband. You keep ½ inch. Then now the width of this waistband I'm using, depending on what we use, 1¾ inch. The width of the waistband is 1¾ inch, right? So we now come to, so at this point, we'll be fixing our waistband starting from this point, the zip point. So we'll be fixing our waistband, your normal waistband fixing. Let us do the fixing. So we'll fix this, sewing with 1/4 inch. So let's do that now. Okay, we've done the fixing of the waistband. Make sure that the opening is at the center there. Make sure it's aligning with this. So as you can see, so we have this, right? So we now get your hook that you want to use. How do you go about this? You get your paper gum. You go, I'll quickly show us. Let me quickly show. So you get your paper gum, you fold it into 2. Then you now iron this, your paper gum, you iron it into 2. Then we now sew this one. We now turn this in. So by the time we turn this in, we have this. So by the time you turn this, you have this, right? You have this, okay? So now come to your waistband. So you come to your waistband, you now put this from here. This is the wrong side. So you now fix this in. So it will now show at this other part, right? Now we are bringing this out 1.5 inch. Take note. The same thing we use at the other part. So we have this here, right? So you have this. So from this point, we'll be fixing our elastic. Now the length of this, the length here, I'm using 8.5 inch. So we'll fix this back from the wrong side. We'll fix this back, and you make sure you have 1.5 inch outside here, right? So get our elastic and we join. So let's do that. So this is our elastic. These are elastic. So we now place this elastic at this point. So you now sew this elastic here. So you sew this. So make sure it's very tight. Make sure you sew this elastic very tight. Make sure it's at the middle. So let's do that now. Okay, so I've sewn the elastic. You can see now we've sewn the elastic to that hook. So take note, this is it, right? So what to do is you make sure you just tag this. Make sure it's at the middle. So we tag this. So I'll be tagging this at the center. Just make sure this elastic is at the middle. So I'll just tag this down. or you can top stitch it, whichever one. We'll lose it later when we're through. So we tack this down. So when we're through tacking it down, every other thing remains your normal waistband. So you join the back. Remember, it's a beltless waistband with that button hook at that center, just like the one I showed us before we started the video. So every other thing, if the waist is 36, you can do 37. For the sake of this elastic, you're good to go. So every other thing remains the same thing. So you join the front part, you join your waistband, you join. So this is how to go about. So we'll quickly do that now. Okay, so I've done the tacking. We've done the tacking. So we'll still remove this. So every other thing, you join your waistband. So you take these two back. So you now take these two back. You join your waistband. You join your waistband. Join the ankle. Now, in the absence of this button, for those of us that don't want to use this, remember, if you don't want to use this, right? If you don't want to use these two buttons, you can use a hook. So in the absence of this, you can use this. So do your buttonholes. So yeah, we already have our buttonholes, right? So if you don't want to use this, you can sew this down there. Sew this down there. So we'll be using this. So this is how to go about making a beltless waist. But once again, you're watching PJ Collection Clothing online training. Okay, so when you're through, you put your buttonholes here. Put your buttonholes here, and you fix your two buttons. Like I said, if you don't want to use this, so this is how you just fix your normal waistband at the back. Fix your normal waistband.